while back, I was talking with Mary from Garden Like a Girl about gloves that she was designing. And so here we are. Now it's finished. It's in the stores. It's retail. It's on your site. So tell us about, like, you being a woman, designing a glove. How did that all work out?
Well, the way it all worked out, the way it started was I loved to get in the yard and work in the garden. And I got really tired of my fingertips poking through the end of my gloves, ruining the gloves, and so my glove became a disposable glove and ended up in the landfill where it didn't break down. So I complained to my husband, who is kind of a product geek and has a lot of experience in endurance and performance enhancing materials, and so between the two of us, we created a glove made just for women, to fit a woman's hand. It's not a cut down man's glove. And we made it in 2 different finger lengths on our medium and large sizes because, you know, I can hold my hand up to one of my friends' hands and,
Sure.
So it's not a one size fits all thing, we're all different. And so we came up with this glove. And, it's been a tremendous hit. We're super happy with how it's turned out. We've gotten great reviews.
Excellent.
Yeah.
But it too, talking about the finger points too, it's actually reinforced, and that material is what we hear about in many different things.
Yeah, it's interesting. So the fingertips are wrapped. There's not a seam on the end of the fingertip, and they are reinforced with Kevlar.
Wow.
And the same stuff that's in a bulletproof vest, right? And so they're strong. And we also have a padded palm. You'll see the cancer ribbon there. Tom and I, my husband, are both cancer survivors, so we do give 10% of net profits back to the American Cancer Society. The gloves are made from goat skin, and they have an adjustable wrist closure. It's got the hook and loop, or Velcro as I call it, closure, and it gives you a little bit of added support. Vented back so that they do breathe. These gloves will mold to your hand. The more you use them, the softer they get. They may be a little tight at first, but after 5 minutes, they're super comfortable.
Right. And I think this time of year, really to have a new pair of gloves that are going to perform is on everyone's list.
Right, and they do have to perform. They have to be very durable, and when I get in the yard, I'm going at it. I'm not playing around.
Right.
With little tiny snippers. Like, I'm out there getting some work done, and they will keep up with you, and they would make great gifts. Birthday gifts. We've had lots of folks order for friends. So,
So where can we find them?
You can find them at gardenlikeagirl.com. You can also check our website, gardenlikeagirl.com, for our retail partners. We have a few retail partners in the area, and more coming on board every day.
And also on the website, you can see the different apparel items that you have on there too.
Yes, we do. We have some awesome apparel. I have on one of the hoodies right now, and it's made from 50% recycled bottles and 50% upcycled cotton. And then we have these t-shirts. All of them are made from 50% recycled plastic bottles, 25% organic cotton, and 25% beech trees. And they're very, very soft. They launder really well. And on the back they say Sun Garden Girl. And again, great gifts. T-shirts and a pair of gloves, and you're gonna make somebody really happy.
That's true. Mm-hmm. So if you're interested in having a great pair of gloves or any of the apparel items, please go to gardentime.tv and we'll click over to their website. You can find out where you can go locally or you can order them online. Mary, congratulations to you and Tom.
Thank you so much.